This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying that your bank supports SWIFT and obtaining its BIC. Next, gather the beneficiary full name, account IBAN, and the beneficiary bank's BIC. These identifiers route the payment. Once done, decide the currency and note the exchange rate and fees so costs are clear. You'll also prepare the purpose of payment and any regulatory documents. This initial setup prevents rejections, speeds processing, and reduces reconciliation work. So act on these items now, before composing the payment instruction. You now create the SWIFT instruction using your bank's form or online portal. Enter amounts, currency, IBAN, BIC, and remittance details exactly. Make sure to include any intermediary bank when routing requires it, because missing intermediaries cause delays. Once the form is filled, authorize the transfer using your bank's approved method, physical signature, secure token, or authenticated online confirmation. After submission, note the MT message, type reference, and timestamp. These let you track the message. You complete the process by tracking the SWIFT message reference, MT103 for customer credit or MT202 for bank transfers, and confirming the beneficiary receives funds within the expected window. Make sure the correct fees and exchange rate were applied by checking the beneficiary statement and your debit. If something goes wrong, request a SWIFT trace and the bank's reason code. This isolates routing or compliance holds. Finally, document the resolution and update payment templates to prevent recurrence, because learning from issues reduces future friction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.